Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Quick Assist on Windows 11. Quick Assist is a built-in Windows tool that allows you to get help from another trusted person or provide assistance remotely. First, click on the Start button. Now in the search box, type Quick Assist. Click on Quick Assist from the search results to open the application. When Quick Assist opens, you will see the main screen with different options. For this tutorial, we are going to look at the Help Someone option. Click on Help Someone. After clicking this option, Quick Assist may ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. A Microsoft sign-in page will now appear on the screen. This sign-in step is required when you want to provide assistance to another person. For this demonstration, I am not going to sign in or enter any personal account information. I'm only showing you where the Microsoft sign-in page appears. If you want to use Quick Assist to help someone, you can sign in with your Microsoft account and continue with the instructions shown on the screen. After signing in, Quick Assist can provide a security code that the other person can use to connect with you. Remember to share a security code only with someone you trust. For this video, we are not connecting to another computer, so we will simply close the sign-in page and finish the demonstration. And that's the basic way to open and access Quick Assist on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy Windows tutorials.